Hi, I'm Dr. Julie Steinhauer, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a test that isn't well used with a lot of doctors, but should be, especially when we're talking about right now. It's back to school time. And what are some ways that we can find out whether or not your child is going to perform well in school this year? Well, this test is actually one of them. This is called a Brock string, and when we're testing people, they actually wear red and green goggles with it, although I won't put those on. But what you do is you hold the string up to your nose. There are 3 different beads on here. And usually at first when we're testing, we concentrate on asking the student or child one thing. When they hold the string up to their nose, can they, if they're looking at that bead, see just one bead? Can they see 2 strings that go into the bead and 2 strings coming out of the bead? The reason why they see 2 strings, even though there's only one physically here, is that they'll see 1 string coming out from each eye. So if both eyes are working well properly together, they'll see an image of 2 strings going into that bead and 2 strings coming out. Now, why do you care about that? Because it's kind of technical. But the reason why you care is that when your child is reading in school, if they're not using 2 eyes together to read information, then that means that if only one eye is working, the brain's only receiving 50% of the information that it needs to receive in order for your child to be able to read, write, spell, and understand information. So that's really important, because if they're not getting the correct information to the brain properly, the brain simply just cannot decipher what it's reading and what it's seeing appropriately. So they may not be as good a reader as they could be. So this is one test, the Brock string, that really should be in the tests that are looked at for the year when your child is examined for whether or not they're going to perform well in school this year. I'm Dr. Julie Steinhauer. If you have any questions or you want to learn more, you can go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com. Thank you.